In this video, I'll show you how to make $1,000 selling digital planners on Etsy using ChatGPT. First, start by choosing a niche for your planner. Instead of creating a general planner, focus on something specific like fitness tracking, student planners, budget planners, or social media planning. Niche products usually sell better because they solve a clear problem for buyers. Next, use ChatGPT to help generate planner ideas and page content. For example, you can ask it to create sections for a weekly planner, goal tracker, habit tracker, or budgeting pages. This helps you quickly outline what pages your planner should include. After that, design the planner in a tool like Canva. Create clean and simple pages based on the structure you generated. Make sure the design is easy to use and looks professional. You can export the planner as a PDF so customers can download and print it. Now, go to Etsy and create a new listing. Upload preview images that show the planner pages and explain what buyers will receive. Set the product as a digital download, add relevant keywords, and write a clear description. With multiple planner listings and good keywords, your shop can begin generating consistent digital sales. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.